China Stadium, home of the opening ceremonies and track and field events at the 2008 Olympic Games.
Guys, here we are at the Bird's Nest in Beijing, and we've had a great 10 days or 9 days thus far. It's been great. We've had a lot of good times, seen a lot of things. Great wall, Ming Tomb. We've seen the Queen Victoria II come out of, or Queen Mary II come out of Victoria's Harbor, and it's been a great trip. We've had some ups and downs with the business visits, but overall it's been pretty well. A lot of memories, and
what did you learn?
What we learned that China is huge, and they have a lot of people, and it is really, they do like it.
Hong Kong is the baddest place on earth. The baddest place on earth.
I recommend Hong Kong over Beijing any day. So to those who are looking for a future trip, Hong Kong is great. One night in Beijing is good. So all y'all, have a great trip.